wonderful start. So we're on to our next selection, which challenges us not just in the fun staccato dance fanfares of the Whirling Novas, but now we're into Argosy. So we're continuing our pirate theme of this year. And those of you that have seen the marching band, it was all about pirates and sirens. This one is Argosy, which talks about the ship, the merchant ships of the pirates there. And this is having us work on our legato lyrical skills here at the beginning, and we've been incorporating some body language to help us with our musical performance. So without further ado, Argosy by Robert W. Smith.